The importance of maintaining your air conditioner. The summer has finally hit and now you are spending more time indoors with the air conditioner on. You have the thermostat set on 75 degrees and are feeling pretty good until you realize that it's getting hotter inside. Before you know it, it is 90 degrees in your house and you are calling the air conditioning repair company. Problem is that it is the busy season and they may not be able to get to you for a week. What a disaster. The sad thing is that this could have probably all been prevented with a little maintenance. To have a smooth running HVAC system, you need to have a program of regular maintenance. Before every cooling season, have an air conditioning service come check your system. It is usually a minimum charge and can save you hundreds of dollars by catching problems early. It will also prevent the aggravation of having no air conditioning. In a normal AC service check, the company will perform the following tests. They will check the condensing unit's coils, the compressor, the belts, operating pressures, operating temperatures and the freon level. They will typically oil any components that need oil such as the fan and condenser. The cost of the service is usually fairly cheap and most companies will also run specials in the spring. Keep an eye out for a sale flyer. There are also things that you yourself can do to help maintain your home's HVAC system. The most important thing of course is to change your air filter often. They only cost $1 or $2 and protect not only your air quality but also keep dirt from clogging your AC coils. Replace them at least once a month. Another simple thing you can do is to hose off your outside AC compressor. At least once a month, take a hose and rinse off the unit to clear it of dirt, dust, grass clippings and leaves. If the unit becomes clogged, it will have to work much harder to get your home cool. Lastly, do not turn your unit off completely in the summer. Instead, turn the temperature up when you leave your home. Turning it off will just mean that your AC will have to work incredibly hard when you get home to cool off your house. That's all it takes to have a reliable AC system. Through simple maintenance and regular checkups, you can have a system that serves you well for years to come. James C. operates a website providing home improvement tips, http://www.hometip.net. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/James_C/40224